There's an awful lot of people here getting on this plane. It's a double-decker. Just thought I might see that tallest building from here. Oh, not that way. It's not over there either. I don't know where it is. Well, it's nice and cool in here. We can see the people down there. That's the queue. You can get on the plane. This building goes on forever. Hi, you get on? That fella's from the Isle of Man. He was on a later flight. All the shops are in behind that area there. You go through that entrance where that chap, or where those people have just come out of. One of many entrances to a central shopping area. Some sort of strange light. There's two more there.